Ready? Start. The main ground urged in support of the appeals is that when the special court passed orders on the reports submitted by the learned public prosecutor, by which time to complete investigation was extended up to 180 days, the presence of none of the accused was procured either physically or through video conference, and that they were not even informed about the reports submitted by the public prosecutor. Stop para. Miss Nitya Ramakrishna, learned senior counsel, appearing for the appellants, has made detailed submissions. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the decisions of this court in the case of Hitendra Bisnu Thakur and others versus State of Maharashtra and Sanjay Dutt versus State through CBI Bombay. Stop. Her submission is that when the special court exercised the power under the proviso added by subsection 2 of section 20 of the 2015 Act to subsection 2 of section 167 of CRPC, the presence of the appellants was admittedly not procured even through video conference. Stop. Admittedly, before the reports submitted by the public prosecutor seeking extension of time up to 180 days were considered, the special court did not inform the appellants about such reports being filed by the public prosecutor. Stop. Her submission is that in the case of Sanjay Dutt, the Constitution bench of this court has clearly laid down that the production of the accused before the special court on the date on which such a report is considered is mandatory, and that by producing the accused before the court, he must be informed about such a report submitted by the public prosecutor. Stop. Thus, there is a violation of the mandate of law laid down by the Constitution bench of this court. Stop. She pointed out that the appellants moved applications for grant of default bail as they were not aware of the filing of the reports by the public prosecutor and the orders of the special court extending the period for investigation. Stop. In view of the extension of time granted by the special court, the case of the appellants for grant of default bail under subsection 2 of section 167 of CRPC was not considered by the special court. Stop. On 9th April 2021, a charge sheet was filed by the police. Stop. Her submission is that the order granting extension to complete investigation is completely illegal, as the same has been passed without following the mandate laid down in the case of Sanjay Dutt. Stop. Her submission is that the order granting extension passed by the special court deserves to be set aside. Stop. As the applications for default bail were made by the appellants after the expiry of the statutory period of 90 days, but before filing the charge sheet, the appellants are entitled to default bail. Stop para. The learned senior counsel submitted that the decision of this court in the case of Hitendra Bisnu Thakur was modified by the Constitution bench in the case of Sanjay Dutt on a very limited aspect. Stop. She submitted that the requirement of law laid down in the case of Hitendra Bisnu Thakur regarding procuring the presence of the accused at the time of considering the report seeking extension of time and requirement of putting the accused to the notice of the filing of such a report has not been disturbed, and in the case of Sanjay Dutt. Stop. On the contrary, the decision of the Constitution bench in the case of Sanjay Dutt reiterates the mandatory requirement of production of the accused before the court at the time of consideration of the report submitted by the public prosecutor.